Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.